Have you noticed a suspicious transaction or an unfamiliar charge on your Monzo account? Don't panic. Monzo makes it easy to report a fraud or a dispute. A charge directly from the app so you can act fast and protect your money. First, open your Monzo app and tap on the transaction you want to question. Scroll down and look for the option that says something like, is something wrong? Get help. This will take you through a few simple steps to explain what happened, whether it's fraud or mistaken payment or a charge you don't recognize. Once you have reported the issue, Monzo support team will review your claim. They will usually respond through the app's chat, where you can send details or documents if needed. If it's confirmed to be fraud, Monzo will work to refund the money as quickly as possible. Remember to freeze your card immediately if you think your card details have been stolen, which you can do with just one tap on the app. This helps stop any further unauthorized transactions while you sort things out with Monzo's team. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick how-to tips, and yeah, share it so others can stay safe with their Monzo accounts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.